I'm in a 2018 Hyundai Elantra, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start your vehicle. So first you open your hood, and then you should find a battery located right here. With this be your positive side, which you can access by opening this, and then your negative neutral side's here. And you can always double check too on the battery. There's a negative symbol here, and then there's going to be a positive symbol over here as well. Something else to double check, that all your connections are nice and tight and that there's no corrosion built up. It'd be kind of like a chalky or chemically looking substance around here, but you could clean off fairly easily with like a good rag or a brush. So make sure that's all cleaned up nice, all this is tightened up well so it's not loose. At which point you could take your jumper cables or a jump box and connect your positive side directly to the metal here as best as you can for a good connection, and then your negative neutral side also to here. This is the metal as best as you can. And then whether it's leading to a car or the jump box, you want to make sure your positive is leading to another positive and your negative is leading to another negative. You definitely don't want to mix match those, because even just a few seconds of them crossed could cause a lot of damage to your computer systems, fuses, electrical components. Make for a real bad day for sure. But once you get it jumped, hopefully that works. And worst case, if you have to replace this battery, fortunately this one's pretty accessible, so you just disconnect these lines and then pull the old battery out, stick your new one in, and then just retighten everything down. But I hope it's helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.